The stockinette stitch is one of the more common knit stitch patterns. And to make the stockinette stitch, you simply knit the first row, the front row, and you purl on the back rows. And you're going to do that. Here, just knit the first row. So knit every single stitch across. Here we go, 2 more stitches. And now we're going to turn our work and we are going to purl the back side. Remember to move your yarn to the back of your work. Okay, so if you start off and your yarn was here, don't wrap it around the yarn, around the needle, I mean. Make sure that you have not added an extra loop. You see, this is the last loop on my needle. The yarn comes out here, so now it's in front. It is not wrapped around. Okay, you don't want to accidentally add stitches. So now we're going to purl every stitch across. There you go. There's the back of your work. And there's the front.